I want to show you today how you can create forms outside of Moodle and then embed them right in Moodle so that people can fill them out. So we're going to be using Google Docs today. So I'm going to go to docs.google.com. And if you haven't used Google Docs before, you might want to try exploring it. You can upload documents, presentations, spreadsheets, forms. You can create them right online or upload them from your desktop, and you can collaborate with lots of different people to work on them. I use this all the time. So I'm going to click on Form. And it gives me this template for creating a form. So let's do a little midterm evaluation. So I'll put a little bit of text here to get it started. Please give me some feedback. How is our course going? Okay, so now I can create a question. So let's start out by finding out how much experience people have. So I'll ask, previous experience will be my title. And I'm going to choose to have a scale. I want to know from little experience to lots of experience. So I'll choose a scale from 1 to 5. And I'm going to say 1 is no experience. And 5 is extensive experience. And now I could make this a required question, and that way people couldn't go on until they answer it, but I'm going to choose done and go on to my next question. So I'll go up to add an item, and this time let's just add a multiple choice. So you can choose one of each of the answers. And my question title here will be, are you satisfied? With what you are learning. And it's multiple choice. Option 1 will be yes. Option 2 will be no. And option 3 will be somewhat. I'll click done. And there we have our list of options. Okay, let's add another. This time I'd like checkboxes. I can choose multiple answers here. So this will be useful activities. And I've got checkboxes, so what's been useful? The help forum maybe. Peer review forum. Discussion forums. Moodle tutorials. Okay, we'll leave it at that, but we could add lots more options. And click done. And now you can see we have checkboxes instead of radio boxes, and I can check multiple ones of these. Okay, let's add another item. And this time I want to do a grid, and that lets me scale multiple items. So I'll choose grid. My question up here is, what has been most helpful? And I've got my columns 1 through 5. In my first item, I'm going to say reading and getting ideas. My second one will be watching tutorials, creating my own course, and talking with classmates. Okay, I'll click done on that one. And let's do one more just so you can see the different types. Here you can see that I now have this scale in a grid instead of just a single scale. So let's add one more item. I'm going to choose a paragraph of text. And additional feedback will be my title. And in the help desk, please tell me what we can do to improve this course. Okay, done. All right, now here comes the fun part. So I've got typos in this, but we're going to ignore that. I am going to put this right in my Moodle course, so I'm going to go up to More Actions and choose the Embed. And this allows me to copy this embed code, which I'll do right now. Now if I go back into my course and choose Add an Activity, actually I'll choose Compose a Web Page, but you could do it as a forum also. So I'm composing a web page, which I'll call Midterm Evaluation. And now instead of actually typing in these boxes, I'm going to go into my HTML code by clicking on this little toggle key. And I'm just going to paste that embed code right inside this. And now I'll go ahead and put it in a new window and click Save. Okay, let's see what we've got. So I scroll down our class, and here is my midterm evaluation. When I click on it, there's my form right inside Moodle. And I can ask my students to fill it out and submit it, and all of my feedback will go right into Google Docs where I can evaluate it. So that's all there is to it.